Hi everyone, welcome back. Right now we're going to talk about how to find out the frame rate of a particular video that you have. So let's just open this video I have right here on my desktop. Double click it, opening it up in QuickTime Player. And all you need to do, it's pretty simple. All you need to do here is go to Window and go to Show Movie Inspector, or alternatively, you can actually just press Command-I. And right now, we just look down to where it says FPS, frames per second, and it's 30. So our frame rate is 30 frames per second. It also shows your data size, so how large the video is, that the file of the video is, and your data rate, so what's the bit depth of your video. So right here, it's 507.8 kilobits per second. Yeah, so that's all you need to do. If you want to make the inspector go away, you could go back to Window, press Hide Movie Inspector, or alternatively, like before, you can press Command-I, and it goes away. And that's that.